Minister for State Finance, Delhi, and instructions were given to Finance Secretary to relax on the loans of Goa barge owners, because we are not willful defaulters. Plus, banks started taking actions on houses, started serving notices, auctioning the houses. And based on that, meeting was called, and chairman of the SLBC meeting, who came from Bombay, has told all the banks to speak to their head offices and to stop taking actions for next 6 months. We told Madam, the chairman, that we are not asking for 100% waiver. We are only asking to freeze our loans after OTS debt relief scheme, and we are ready to pay the loan after the business starts in Goa.